So I just got my new crankset and bottom bracket in the mail. I just show you a couple things. I got the Sram s300s with the GXP bottom bracket. There's a million videos showing how to put these on. This one came with these little washers, which is supposedly go in between right here, just like that, in between the pedal and the pedal arm and the the crank arm, just to keep it. I think it's just to keep it looking good. You can scrape it up. It comes, the SRAM S300 is what I got, 130 bucks from City Grounds. It comes with this bottom bracket. I was worried I got the wrong tool, but I do have the right tool. It's the Hollowtech 2 tool, not the smaller one that not the smaller external bottom bracket one. This is the Hollowtech 2 bottom bracket tool, size. So the other one's a little smaller. This one's the larger one. Yeah, and looks pretty good. It's nice for the price. Oof. Okay, I'm gonna come back when this is all put together, and I have a ton of different upgrades I did to my drome Retrospec drome version 2 for 330 bucks off Amazon. My Continental Ultra Sport green and black themed and zippity zip. I'll be right back. Just a little tip from the GCN show I picked up is, so you don't scratch the external bottom bracket, put the plastic over it that you got in the package and crank it down that way. Okay, so this specific SRAM S300, it's all just automatically, just it comes pre-installed. All you need is an 8mm Allen wrench, and I'll demonstrate that real quick. Just all that is just put together. The bottom bracket's installed, all that, and just pop it on loosely, and it's way in there. It's not on the outside, but it's already in there. So you just put your 8mm Allen wrench in there, start turning, and there it goes. That's it. Nothing. I mean, this was so simple. Okay, so done with the install of the GXP SRAM bottom bracket. Just want to do a quick overview of everything I did, so everything's not going to be put in here. Installed the bottle cage. It's a Mecha Dutchman. It was cheap and it's really good quality, light and stiff. I got the green Welgo pedals with blue cages. I want to get some brown leather for that. Kept the freaking rear freewheel because it's really good. I do have another one. I got a 22 Sunlight. FSA brakes in the back. I get green walled Continentals. My Sigma Pure's installed. It's not on there now. Cheap cheap Amazon seat, but you know what, it works. And that's it. The bottom bracket is so easy to install. So easy to install. I mean, I ran into the only hiccup I had was I need to get a new chain, but for now, what I did is I had to set it way back because I had to add links from a KMC just to get it to fit. Now it's a little further back than I wanted, but everybody knows how that goes. I just gotta get a new chain. Yep, that external bottom bracket went on like nothing. Tell you what, RJ the bike guy, thank you, and GCN, thank you. You're full of helpful advice. That's it.